Coca-Cola has been an integral part of American history since its founding in 1892. Initially, it was marketed as a temperance drink, offering an alcohol-free option during the Prohibition era. At one point, it was even promoted as a medicinal beverage. Over the years, the company has expanded to become one of America's most beloved soda brands. However, despite its enduring popularity, many Coca-Cola facilities have recently faced closures, resulting in nearly 900 job losses. Coca-Cola operates over 950 production facilities globally. Many of these sites have created jobs for American citizens, offering financial stability to numerous families. Experiencing a job layoff can be incredibly stressful, as the sudden loss of income and uncertainty can significantly impact both individuals and their families. Coca-Cola is streamlining its business model by consolidating locations and opting. The economic uncertainty we're facing today is hard to overlook, with trade wars, tariffs, inflation, and rising costs of goods and labor. A clear example of this is the aluminum tariffs being doubled to 50%, which significantly affects Coca-Cola's costs for its cans. Let's examine the recent and upcoming closures of several Coca-Cola plants. Keep in mind that this list may change, or the closure dates might be postponed, as has happened with some facilities. On June 30th, the 350,000 square foot facility in Napa County was permanently closed. Although some workers will remain through August to assist with the complete transition, the closure has ended the facility's operations, which began in 1994. This decision has affected 135 employees who now need to seek new employment opportunities. A Coca-Cola distributing site in Salinas, California is scheduled to close on August 1st of this year. This site has provided employment in the area for 23 years, and its closure is affecting 81 employees. On May 31, 2024, the Coca-Cola plant in Dunedin, Florida, was permanently shut down. Initially, the closure was planned for 2021, with the announcement made in 2020, but the pandemic might have postponed these plans, resulting in a delay of a couple of years. This additional time may have allowed its 200 employees to explore and secure new job opportunities. In January of this year, Ray's Coca-Cola Bottling LLC, a Coca-Cola bottler and distributor, closed its facility in Modesto, California. This closure affected 101 employees. In 2023, a significant closure was anticipated for a Coca-Cola plant. But plans have changed, and the facility will remain operational throughout the year. The future closure of the plant in Northampton, Massachusetts, remains uncertain. However, it's important to note that when it does eventually close, this will affect 319 employees. Fortunately, impacted employees will receive severance and job placement support. The layoffs are planned well in advance, providing employees with some time to prepare both mentally and for future employment opportunities. Keep in mind that out of more than 950 facilities, the closure of a few plants doesn't have a major impact on the overall business. However, it is a significant event for the employees who are laid off and their families. According to NASDAQ, Coca-Cola is experiencing strong sales growth thanks to increasing sales volumes, effective pricing strategies, and successful revenue growth management. This context helps explain how the company continues to thrive despite the recent plant closures. Coca-Cola's facility closures do not appear to indicate any business difficulties. In fact, Costco is transitioning from Pepsi to Coca-Cola products in its food courts. It's important to acknowledge the impact on employees affected by these layoffs. If you've experienced a layoff, consider reflecting on your experiences and offering advice to others who might be going through similar challenges. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/thecoconutmama for more.